Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to tell you about LastPass and how to use it. So LastPass is actually a password manager and it stores your password, whether it's your social account passwords or password related to your personal life as well, such as your bank details, your addresses, your notes and everything like that. It's very, I would say, effective and efficient in storing passwords. This LastPass thing has many good reviews. It's used by many, I would say, trusted users, and they have two options, either the paid version or the free version. So we'll go with this free version right now. So when you land here, you can click here. And then we have to create an account. Let me just create an account and I'll be back. So I'm finally done with this. And when you put your email and set your master password, you can just click sign up. So what can you do? You have to install LastPass and add it to your browser first. So we're gonna download LastPass from Google Chrome Store and add to Chrome. And we're gonna wait till it downloads. So the file is downloaded. And we're done. So now we are on the home page. So this is the home page and we are here on the password tab. And we have two options. We can either add a password or we can import a password. We can, import a password used on social media or on this Chrome browser, because Chrome also has a feature that saves password. So we can, import it from the Chrome's database that we have. Moving on, we can also add addresses. We can save our address. Let me just click here. We can add an address and LastPass will save it. And whenever we have to put our address next time, either we're buying something from Amazon or eBay or anywhere we have to put our address, LastPass will automatically refill that place. So it's as easy as it is. You just have to fill in all these, I would say, relevant fields. Moving on, we can also add information of our payment card. We have to fill in these fields and we have to tell name on the card, whether it's a debit card or credit card, the expiration date, the start date, the security code, and then it will be saved in the vault right here. They give us another option, and that is of bank account. We can also add relevant information of our bank account and LastPass is going to save it. So in case if you forget anything, like if you forget our account number or anything related to our bank account, LastPass is going to remember it, and then you can use your master key to access it and get this information that you have forgotten. Moving on, I forgot to tell you that you can also add your password just like this in the form of a password, secure note, address, payment card, bank account. You can add it separately from here, or you can just add it from here as well. And if you want to add a password, you can just fill in these fields and add a password for anything that you have, either your social media account or anything that requires a password, and you have to remember it. Moving on, here's the security dashboard as well, and you can add items to your vault. Now, this is an extra protective layer, which is going to further protect your very, very, very important and critical passwords. This is the function of the security dashboard that we have right now, and they have a vault and it's going to save it here. Now, this is the most protective place you can put anything in. So you also have an option to add a very critical and very important password. Moving on, emergency access. Now, emergency access is something that if you want to shift the data of your passwords and of, other relevant things that you have to a person that you trust, your father, your mother, your partner, your wife, anything, your brother, your best friend, you can add the email of that person and give a wait time. And after that wait time, when the wait time is over, they will have access, they will be authorized to act as an emergency contact. Now, if something happens, if you're not able to access it, you can access it through these people. And if you want to remove them, their name will appear here and then you can just remove it, up to you. So that was the basic, I would say, nomenclature and functionality of LastPass. You can further, I would say, add more options like multi-factor options, which includes two-factor authentication. You can turn them on from here. There are many two-factor authentications right here that you can use, up to you. You can add your trusted devices. You can add your mobile devices. It's pretty self-explanatory, and you can just tweak the settings yourself. And there are a lot of advanced features in the premium, which I would say would help you better in preserving your information and important data. Now that's up to you whether you want to upgrade it or you just want to use the basic version. So that was it. I hope you found this video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.